To add an Amazon store card to your account, start by logging into your Amazon account on the website or mobile app. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Amazon store card page by searching for Amazon store card in the search bar and selecting the result. Click on the Apply Now button to begin the application process. You will be prompted to sign into your Amazon account again to verify your identity. Fill out the application form with your personal and financial information, including your name, address, and income. After submitting your application, you will receive an instant decision on whether you are approved for the Amazon store card. If approved, you can immediately add the card to your Amazon account by clicking on the Add to Account button. To add the card to your account, go to the Payment Options section of your account settings. Click on the Add a Payment Method button and select Amazon Store Card from the list of available payment options. Enter your card information, including the card number and expiration date, and click Save. Your Amazon store card is now added to your account and can be used for future purchases. To use the card, simply select it as your payment method during checkout. You can also manage your Amazon store card account and track your rewards and benefits through the Amazon store card page. Best practices for using your Amazon store card include making on-time payments, keeping your account information up to date, and monitoring your account activity regularly. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily add an Amazon store card to your account and start earning rewards and benefits on your Amazon purchases.